How to turn off bubbles floating notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So you will see notifications is here, so click on notifications. Now here, so click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced settings, you will see floating notification is here, so click on floating notification. So you will see if you want to turn off bubbles floating notification. So if you want to turn off bubbles, so click on off. So after click on off, you will see float bubbles notification is off. So after turn off bubble floating notification, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn off bubbles floating notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.